because online classes are going on. Okay. So again, we have taken 12 years. 12 years we have to convert it into month. So 12 into 12, it will give 144 month. 144 plus 3 already here. It is 12 years and 3 months. So 147 month. You have to convert it into days. We are multiplying it with 30. Then we are multiplying
30.
the result with
Ma'am,
40. Don't
24.
do the multiplication, children. First of all, we will
Yes, ma'am.
write it out. Then 24 means we are going to convert it into hours. Again,
Ma'am,
Hours.
then seconds.
then
Ma'am,
minutes.
then
No, ma'am,
second.
Minutes.
minutes.
60,
60.
then 60. Done?
60.
So this
Yes,
will
ma'am.
give you the total time in
Results.
second. You can do it now. I'm not going to
Okay,
help.
ma'am.
ठीक है, ये आप लोग कर लोगे ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. Who was reading? Please continue.
Ma'am, Tanya was reading.
Ma'am, I was
Yes.
ma'am, which question?
Question number 13, I think. No, 13 will start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have got the answer.
Got that? ठीक है. You can do that. You can do that. You can, because that every data I'm not going to give it in your exam. Data may be changed. So calculation part is yours.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. Next. Read it, Tanya. 13 question.
Ma'am, I'm not having. Ma'am, I'm not having that. Ma'am, which question?
It's already shared. How who was
Ma'am,
asking
may
to
I
frame?
read?
Acha, yes, Aditya, you can read.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm married.
Ma'am, may I read?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Aditya
I
has
have
read
the.
already.
May I?
Aditya has read already, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Prem, you can continue. Prem.
Yes, ma'am. How in earlier times a day, B a month, C a year were measured?
Yes, Chandresh, give the answer.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, can
earlier
I tell?
times, a day was measured through one sunrise to the other sunrise, and ma'am, a month by the ma'am by ma'am one new moon to the next new moon, and ma'am a year when Earth completes the revolution around the sun.
Yes. So that is the measure that we are doing earlier in the times, but now we are having accurate exact timing because of the
Yes,
different
ma'am.
kinds of devices that has been invented. Okay, next question.
14. What is a simple pendulum? Briefly describe its parts.
Raise your hands only, please. I can see only Chandresh hand. No one else. What is pendulum? Yes, Chandresh.
Ma'am, a simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball known as a bob, which is suspended using a thread.
Yes.
And ma'am,
So,
it has a oscillatory motion, which means it moves to and fro.
yes. And it is also called, I told you, it is also called simple harmonic
Simple.
motion.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple harmonic motion.
Ma'am, may I also tell?
Yes, Aditi, you can.
Ma'am, a simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball or a piece of stone suspended from a rigged stand by a thread. And ma'am, the metallic ball is called the bob of the pendulum.
And it is attached with
And
the,
ma'am, the two,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
thread.
it has
ma'am,
the support
the
of
two and
the.
the fro, ma'am, the to and the fro motion of a simple pendulum is an example of a periodic or an oscillatory motion.
very good. Okay, so you can compile both the information and you can write. Okay, is it clear, children? And diagram is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
must.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Other than these two question in the exam, it may come that write short notes on simple pendulum. That also you are able to write, I think. Okay. Okay. Next. Next question. What's a quartz clock? How do they work? What a quartz clock?
Ma'am, the quad clock, which has electric circuit in it.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
wait.
Which work with the help of battery and give.
And ma'am, ma'am, the time is more accurate than the other
Yes,
clocks.
ma'am.
The previous ancient ones. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
So it's already given. Quartz clock about quartz clock is already given in your book. You can do them. Okay. Next. A simple pendulum takes 32 seconds to complete NCRT. You
Ma'am, it's
always have
book
done.
is question.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I give you that it is having 20 oscillations in 60 seconds. Now do the maths. 20
Okay, ma'am.
oscillations
Okay, ma'am.
in 60 seconds. Do it.
My voice is breaking.
20 oscillations in
Ma'am,
60
3 seconds.
seconds. So one oscillation in 3 seconds. That is 60 divided by
Yes,
20.
ma'am.
3 seconds.
So the time period is 3 seconds.
Ma'am, time period.
What is frequency? What is frequency?
Number of oscillations
Number of
per
oscillation
second.
per second.
Just
Ma'am,
take out
number
the
of oscillations
frequency
per
nikalo. Frequency. Just while taking out frequency, do the reverse. That is 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, it completes how many oscillation? 20 oscillation.
20.
Therefore, are you able to see the board? In
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second,
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
able to complete 20 by 60.
1 by 3.
1 by 3,
By
By
3
one
3,
third,
oscillation.
ma'am. Yes,
one
ma'am.
third. That is 0.33 oscillation, है ना? Like this, the fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the frequency,
Yes,
and the first one we have taken out the time period. So any data can be given. Are you able to do solve? Children, we have done this chapter
Yes, ma'am.
very
Yes, ma'am,
in
we can do.
Yes,
detail.
ma'am.
Chalo, okay, next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, in exam, if question is asking only for time period, so ma'am, we have to find the frequency also.
No, that I have given you an example because that same question for your NCERT. थोड़ा data change करो and you will take out the time period and frequency. That is why the same
Okay, ma'am.
maths आपको repeatedly एक ही डाटा से नहीं करना है, तब आप रट लोगे. रटना नहीं है maths. Maths is the thing to do, calculate. So I'm just telling that
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
question just change this to 32 seconds के जगह में आप 60 seconds करो and you will find out time period and also the frequency. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Please do change. All of you have changed the data in the question? Because all the
Yes.
NCERT तक बार कर ही चुके हो, फिर करोगे तो
Yes, ma'am.
आप रट लोगे, याद वो मेमोराइज नहीं करना है, आपको करना है, समझ के इसको आपको करना है. So I have just changed the data. You can itself change any of the data according to you. You will get different data then, different time period, different frequency. Okay, next. तो यहाँ पे देखो, one thing children see. So what is the relation you are getting between time and oscillation? क्या है? Time period is 3 and frequency is 1 by 3. So what is it? What is the relationship? T equals to, I told you, 1
Ma'am,
by
T
F.
equals 1 by
1 by
F.
F.
1 by
T
F.
तो 3 है और frequency क्या है? 1 by 3. So
1
this
by
is the
3.
relation. So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the relationship we are getting? Please do write on your workbook or main book. What is the relationship between time period and frequency? T is equals to 1 by F. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, Prem is not in the meeting. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Mary.
Utkarsh will read, okay? I think mostly you have read last few days.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Utkarsh.
Okay, ma'am. Question number 17. Calculate A. Number of seconds in a day. B. Number of hours in a year.
That you are going to do. This is your homework. You are going to do. Easy. Next, 18.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. How has the measurement of time enabled development of A. Science and technology. B. Sports. C. Study of universe. Explain.
So these are about the study that we are going to do in this field. Science maybe. Now we know about the different
Ma'am,
techniques.
stopwatch.
Yes, in case of
Ma'am,
sports, the
stopwatch.
stopwatch, study of universe, five powerful telescopes are there. Okay, now we are having
Yes, ma'am.
spaceships also
Yes,
to
ma'am.
go over there, and through spaceship we can move from
Yes,
our
ma'am.
Earth to the other. We have landed on to Mars also. With the help of
Yes, ma'am.
powerful cameras, we are able to take snaps of the sun and each and every other planet. We are able to know the solar system. We have a concept about galaxy, Milky Way, all this. This is only possible due to the development that. So is it clear? So that is
Yes, ma'am.
this type of question will not
Yes,
come,
ma'am.
but that is your part that you are going to answer. Okay. Next और कुछ है? चलो.
Ma'am, next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
19. What do you mean by speedometer and odometer? Where are they used?
I think you can do speedometer to
Yes, ma'am. Can
detect
do.
speed
Yes, ma'am.
and odometer to see the distance. They are
Distance.
present on the vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. They are present on the vehicle.
Again, this time distance graph you are going to do by
Ma'am,
yourself.
yes,
Same.
ma'am.
कुछ नहीं है data and better children you
Ma'am, the
can do
same
it
which
on your
was given in the
हाँ
book.
yes. So better you can do it in your with a graph. Graph मतलब क्या है? What is
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
graph? Do you know? Have you seen your graph paper? कुछ
Yes,
नहीं
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes, ma'am.
cross check boards are there like this. You know, है ना? तो उसमें just if this is your graph paper is like this. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So here we are going to plot. Are you able to plot?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can plot it.
तो बस ऐसे
Yes,
हम दिखा
ma'am.
yes. So here you are going to time along time 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 like this you are going to plot and along distance time the same 0 1 2 3 4 ऐसे कर लोगे just make a checkboard okay and then draw the graph in that space given जैसे हम बनाए हैं okay
Okay, ma'am.
next question
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 20, question number 21. What type of motion is represented by a distance time graph, which is A, straight line inclined on x-axis, B, straight line parallel to x-axis.
okay you know I am not going to discuss already we
Okay,
know
ma'am.
one is this uniform and
Yes,
the other one is at
Ma'am,
rest
rest.
ma'am. One is uniform and another one is rest.
to do make a graph also okay
Okay,
next
ma'am.
question
Okay, ma'am.
List the points which should be kept in mind while choosing a suitable scale for drawing a graph.
yes so in that graph you know that the length that we are going to know we have to reduce that length actual length को reduce करना होगा actual time को we have to reduce according to the space in the graph okay if that distance is more the time interval of distance or time is more then we have to reduce them into much smaller scale and if that is less that interval is less then you can take normal है ना so that we have to
Yes, ma'am.
reduce according to our graph okay next
Observe the following graph and answer the questions. A. What distance does the graph cover till 8:15 am? B. Find the average speed of the bus from the graph. C. What distance has the bus covered from 8:15 am to 9:45 am?
hmm. Here it is a uniform motion
Ma'am, may
है
I
ना
tell?
yes
Yes,
Aditya
ma'am.
you can
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Ma'am, in
Aditya
A, the ma'am distance the body cover till 8:15 a.m. is 10.
A 8:15 a.m. is 10. Yes, it has
Yes,
been
ma'am.
shown also. Given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it has been shown. Yes, 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, the average speed.
Ma'am,
Average
20
Ma'am, we need
speed
to
kilometer per
calculate it.
hour.
20 kilometers. Just you see every 30 minutes it is covering 20.
10
20?
kilometer.
Yes. 20. Huh?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 10.
Just
Ma'am,
wait.
10. So, ma'am, the
Just wait.
average
Ma'am,
ma'am in
10
10.
hours
kilometers.
it will
No.
be
Ma'am,
Just
20
not
see.
10.
kilometer.
Children just see. It is covering 8 say 8:30. You can see 30
Ma'am,
minutes.
20.
So
Ma'am,
listen to
20.
that is why I told you listen to me. So every 30 minutes it is covering 20. Okay. So
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
so in 1 hour how much it will cover? 40.
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
No, ma'am, it will not cover 10. 20, ma'am. It covers
Uh,
15.